guys, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, that is Be Inspired. In this YouTube learning channel Be Inspired, you can have so many educational videos based on the subject maths. And today's video is about NCERT textbook. We are solving NCERT textbook of 6th class, and we completed first chapter and second chapter. We are moving on to the third chapter, and in that 3.1 also we completed, and we moved on to 3.2. Before starting into the topic, please share, like, subscribe my channel. So let's start the topic. So the 3.2 questions we completed up to 3 questions, and now we are in the fourth one. What is the question they're asking here? Write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. So between 1 to 20, and what are the prime numbers, what are the composite numbers, that you should write down here. Because we already have the table, CO Philothosphins, by seeing the table we can write very easily. So I am writing prime numbers is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. And rest all are composite numbers. Of course, we all know that. So composite numbers we will write. Composite numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. Less than 20, yes, so that is the reason. So these are the composite numbers which we have less than 20. And move on to the next. Right, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So among the numbers, which is the greatest prime number is 7. Greatest prime number between 1 and 10 is 7. Then what is the greatest composite number between 1 and 10? Of course 10. So between 10, so that means you should not consider 10. Nothing but 9. Very good. Express the following as sum of two odd primes. Of course we have all our odd primes only. And you are going to express this by adding two prime numbers. Only two prime numbers you should add, and you should get 44. So for that we will just see the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers we have? So if you observe this table, you can see easily which are circled, they are called prime numbers. So in our question we have, in our question we have 44. Okay, one second, I'll just take a picture. So these are the prime numbers we have. Now we can easily check it clearly that which two prime numbers if I add, I will get 44. So consider what two prime numbers if we add, you will get 44. How much? So which two prime numbers we will add, we will get 44 is simple. 41 plus 43. 41 plus 3, you will get 44. Okay, and next is for 36, you will add 31 plus 5, you will get 36, and 24 is 11 plus 13, and next is 18. Simple, 11 plus 7. You can add even 13 plus 5 also 18. I just selected 11 plus 7. We can select any other number because he just asked us you have to express the sum of two odd primes. Now we check 41, 3 are prime odd numbers, 31, 5 are also odd prime numbers, 11 and 13 also odd numbers, and 11 and 7 are also odd prime numbers. So based on this reason, what we done is correct. Now move on to the next. Give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Nothing but if the two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. So here we have already a prime numbers list, and in this whose difference is 2, 17, 19, 5, 7, 11 13, 17 19, 29 31, 41 43, 59 61, 71 73. So we are going to write all that. What are twin primes is nothing but if the two prime numbers difference is 2, then we can say those numbers are twin primes. So the twin primes are 3 and 5. The difference is 2 for both of them. And next 5 and 7 also. And next 11 and 13. And next what we have still 17 19, 20, 29 and 31, and 41 43, and next is 59 61, next is 71 73. That's it, 71 and 73. So these are some examples of twin primes. Still we will get so many twin primes. This is less than 100. He didn't ask less than 100, he just asked us to give 3 pairs, but instead of that we just given less than 100. Okay, which of the following numbers are prime numbers? We all know that 23 is a prime number, 51 is not because it is having factors, 37 is a prime number. So 23 and 37. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. So we have a prime numbers, we completed finding the prime numbers. Now you check between these numbers, between the numbers which are circled or colored, if you count from any one to any one, you should not get any prime number. Just simple, you should get only 7 composite numbers. So the answer is from 90 to 96. You will get 7 composite numbers. So we'll write that answer there in the question because he asked us that only. From 90 to 96. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Now you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 numbers and in the between there is no prime number. That is the question he asked us. So in this way you can show your answer. Okay. So what is the question here? Next question, express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. So you are going to take 3 prime numbers. Other than 2 we have all our odd numbers only, so there is no problem. And you are going to add any 3 numbers and you should get the sum should be 21. So what are the 3 numbers you will add? You will get 21. Okay, I am adding 3, 7 and 11. We will get the answer 21. And now for 31, what numbers we will add for 31? Three odd prime numbers. Actually we can add 13 plus 7, 30 plus 1, but whereas 1 is not a prime number, he's just asked us only prime numbers. Okay, 7 plus 13 is 20, 20 plus 11 is 31. Okay, and now in the same way for 53. So the prime numbers like 13 plus 17 is 30, 30 plus 23 is 53. You got 53. Now in the same way check it for 61. For 61, For 61, what prime numbers you can add? You'll get 61. Very simple. 13 plus 17 is 30. 30 plus 31 is 61. 13 plus, oh, sorry. Okay. 31 is equal to 61. So 13 plus 17 is 30, 30 plus 31 is 61. So in this way we can complete, and now move on to the next. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Means you should add, means you are going to add 2 prime numbers and this should be a divisible by 5. Like that, less than 20 only you should select, in that one he given to you. 5 pairs of prime numbers. So we will write this prime numbers here, Control C, and then we will copy paste. Now it is easy for us to write the solution. So what 2 prime numbers I'll add? I'll get 5 table division, and that too those prime numbers should be, and the condition is less than 20. So the prime numbers you should select up to this much. So okay, first we will remove this, otherwise we will be getting confused. And now we can check easily. Like this we should write 5 pairs of prime numbers. Okay, simple logic. 13 plus 17 is equal to 30. It is divisible by 5 because 5 6 are 30. Like this, any other number. 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. It is divisible by 5. Can you give any other number like this? 11 plus 19 will give you 30. So it is also divisible by 5. 5 6 are 30. Three plus 7 already they given. With 11 13 you will get 24. That is not 11 and 17 28. You will not. 11 and 19 30 will come. 13 17 30 will come, and 19 11 will come. 19 2 will not. 19 and 7 no. 19 3, 19 5 no. 19 7 no. 19 11 completed. 19 13 no. 19 17 no. So we have to write 2 more pairs for this. Yeah, one more pair is 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. That is divisible by 5. Now you think in that way, you'll get one more answer also. So what is the another method to write this? The last 5th pair to get the answer. With the 2 there is no chance, because with 2 we have only one option. And coming to 3, yeah, 3 plus 2 5. Very simple. So these are the 5 pairs of prime numbers whose less than 20 we selected, and that too all are going to be divisible by 5. This is 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are 20, and again 5 6 are 30. So we completed that, and now move on to the last topic, last question of this. Fill in the blanks. A number which has only 2 factors are called prime number. That's what we learned the definition. A number which has more than 2 factors is called composite number, because this is the definitions we have learnt. And I just written the number spelling wrong, sorry for that. One is neither prime nor composite. The smallest prime number is 2, and the smallest composite number is 4, and the smallest even number is 2. So by this we completed our exercise 3.2. I hope you all understand today's class. So in this we just learn about prime numbers by using prime numbers, and according to the twin primes we learned based on the prime numbers they are asked the question, so we just completed that. Thank you Corona Warriors helpers, thank you so much. Thank you. If you find this video is interesting, if you find this video is going to be helpful to you, please share, like, subscribe my channel.